What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We're doing the mini top 4 win for the SPA Master Case. We're going to go live. We're live at 3:02 p.m. It's 3:02 here in Denver. We're going to get a fresh list for you guys. So we got Mr. Anders on top and Grant on the bottom. We're going to go 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2. Gene on top after 2. That was in at 3:03. It's 3:03. Third and final time, guys. Good luck. Top 4. Wow. Hanu. Look at that. Congrats, my man. I'll do the last timestamp real quick. Marty, you came in last place, pal. That's in at 3:03. Just 3:03. And I'll go to the teams. Hanu, you got Chicago and Detroit. Grant, Calgary. Stacy, you got the Panthers. There you guys have it.